Here's your drink.
Maybe.
Yeah, drink up. Um, I will join you in a bit. I want to get groceries down the street.
Okay, baby, it's fine.
All right.
Take care.
Take care too, darling. I'm coming very soon, okay?
Alright, honey. Easy.
All right, darling. Hey,
Hi, baby.
my darling.
How are you? What took you so long?
Um, I I went to the store down the street to get groceries, but they were not open, so I headed uptown.
Oh, okay. But you got them now.
Yes, I did.
Alright, baby. Are you okay?
Yeah, yeah, sweetheart. Did you did you drink the juice I gave to you?
No, no, honey. I wanted, but mommy said she wanted to have a taste of it. So I gave it to her and she ended up finishing everything. I didn't drink it.
Oh,
Yes, baby. Mommy did.
Mama drank it.
Yes, baby. Okay.
Yeah, I'm fine.
I love you, baby.
I love you more. I'm sweet. I'm coming, okay?
Where are you going?
Let me know how Mama is doing.
Alright,
Okay?
okay.
All right. Sleep tight. Okay, baby?
Okay, baby. I just want to rest. Yeah, baby.
Yeah.
Baby.
Yeah, my love.
That wedding is next weekend. And you are yet to give me the Ashebi money for my friend and I.
Oh, yeah. Ashebi money, right?
Yeah, baby.
Okay, just remind me. Okay, just give me like 2 days. I should be able to raise the money in 2 days' time. How much? How much did you say it was again? 200,000, right?
400,000.
400,000.
For my friend and I.
Yeah, 400,000.
Baby, you okay?
Yeah, I'm good, my love. Just remind me in 2 days' time.
Alright, honey. Thank you. I love you.
I love you too.
Baby, you will like the plantain. It's so nice.
The plantain, right?
Very sweet. Baby. Give me.
Give you what, Mama?
Give the ring to me.
We are eating yam today.
Yes, mommy.
Ah, that's nice. Do we still have juice in the fridge?
Yes, ma. Let me get it for you.
No. Do what you're doing. I can get it.
Thank you, mommy.
Thank you. Well done.
Alright, mommy. Thank you. Mommy, do you need cup?
No. Fine.
Thank you so much. Mama, this means a lot to me. have to call Steve. Steve, how far? Just hold on first. I have the ring. I have the ring now.
Hi. Kai, why go return the fake one for me, man? One another fake one, why don't do for you? I return one.
What are you talking about? This is the original one.
Kai, guy, the way me. One another fake one, man.
How is that even possible? This is the original one I brought for you.
Are you sure you swapped the rings?
I wasn't the one who swapped the ring. Mama swapped it.
What? Was my mother swapped the rings?
Yes, and I know my mother. She's very meticulous when it comes to things like this. She can never make a mistake.
That's true. I know Mama too. Abdul, check and wait. Now the original.
Now the original be this, Abdul.
Check. You get one machine one that they use. Now go use light. Check am. Confirm am.
I got the detective. And I go teach me my job, pa. Kai na police me na go seller. Why not the fake one na they sell for me, pa? I don't book what they sell for me. What telling me a machine do this one?
That's practically impossible.
Go now. Go use machine.
Abdul, use machine. I beg. Use me. Down the original be this.
I know machine. Nothing. Come. Whatever my eye don't see, machine don't see. Collect. Collect one now. I nothing consider me. Consider on machine. You're telling me. I was born selling goods. Diamond.
Could it be that somebody had already swapped the rings?
Look at it from that angle.
Mommy, why would my husband not tell me all this he was passing through? What kind of a woman does he think I am? The one who is meant only to enjoy in her marriage and not to suffer with her husband.
It is not like that, my daughter. All Joseph ever wanted to give you was the whole world. But he didn't know how to let you know that the world was crumbling right under your feet.
And I was busy making silly demands. Even asking him to pay for a shipping material for my friend. Mommy, tell me the truth. Did Joseph give Ezinne the money?
No, he did not. Isn't he already knew what your husband was going through? And she said she didn't want to compound issues for him. She left.
Oh, I guess I am the only one in my house that didn't know what my husband was going through.
Don't take it too hard upon yourself. You didn't know. The most important thing is that now you know. You should be a good wife to your husband. Support him even as he's going through hard times. It happens in every marriage. What makes him earn your respect is your ability to stand by him while he is going through this. And I know it is not something you cannot do. I know you can do it. It's fine.
Hey, what's wrong? Why are you crying?
Am I a bad wife?
No. No, you're not.
Am I too demanding?
Oh, just a little.
Why didn't you tell me?
I did not want you to feel bad.
I am your wife, Joseph. You are my husband. My best friend. The brother I never had. Joseph, you are my father. It's your responsibility to put me through when I am going offline. It's your duty to mold me into the wife that you desire.
My love, I wouldn't have married you if I did not desire you.
And that is not what I am talking about. Why didn't you tell me about the cyst growths?
Hey, I didn't want to bother you.
Well, like Mama said that I am your wife. We are one. Your problem is my problem. I will stand by you at all times. I love you, baby. I got you always. Let's make the ring. I don't know how much it is worth, but Martha is always telling me that it costs a lot. So, let's just sell it and use it to solve some of our problems.
Wait, let me help you. Gently, please, baby.
Yes, baby. To solve our problems, I can't be wearing millions of naira. ring on my finger and we can solve our problems.
I love you.
I love you forever. He's going to solve our problem, okay? I catch you always. Oh, please don't keep me in the darkness time. Tell me what your problem is, and I'll stand by you.
Babe.
Why are you opening your hand? Close it. Castle it off. I don't need it again.
Babe, that will not be necessary anymore.
Why not? Have you sorted yourself out? Babe.
It's fake.
Huh? My wedding ring fake? You stole my wedding ring.
I did. Yes. Joseph did not know how to get the ring off your finger. Because he doesn't enter the kitchen, he wouldn't know that the only time you take off the ring is when you enter the kitchen.
What? So, if this isn't my original wedding ring, where is the original?
Well, if you're certain that the only times you have taken off the ring from your finger was when you entered the kitchen, then our suspects should be narrowed down to the people who entered the kitchen since our wedding day.
The only persons that have had access to the kitchen with me are Ezinne, Martha,
And me.
Mama is already out of it. So, I think we have just two suspects here.
We have just one suspect here, if you ask me, Steve. Martha. Isn't it will not do a thing like that? Besides, that young lady does not know where to sell the ring or the value of that ring. Remember I told you she was the one who lied to her sister that I gave her everything that she needed to return to school.
Yeah, I remember. Well, in that case, why don't we get Martha here immediately? I mean, ask your wife to call her over. That's what we should do. Yeah, that's what we should do.
Yes, come in. Oh, Martha, you here?
Hey, so why you want me to perform like that? Where is my wedding ring? I don't understand. Your wedding ring? What's happening?
Somebody stole her wedding ring and then replaced it with a decoy.
A fake.
Calm down, Stella. Huh? Nobody has said she's a thief yet.
Mama, who else? She is the only one who is constantly admiring my wedding ring. Admiring it, telling me how expensive it is.
Stella, are you saying I stole your ring?
What your friend said is that the only times she ever took off her wedding ring were times she was at the kitchen. So I ask you, Martha, ever since they did the wedding, have you ever shared the kitchen with her?
No.
Liar. No be me and you cooking Indomie the other day. Huh?
Oh yes, sorry. I forgot.
Why you no go forget, thief?
Baby. Come on, please calm down.
Now me matter. Still like they call thief. Hey. Nothing must I never see forget.
So, Martha, are you admitting to have shared her kitchen with her since after the wedding?
Yes, but I didn't steal her ring.
Did you ever see her take the wedding ring off?
I think so. Wait. Are you trying to say I'm the only one that have shared the kitchen since after the wedding? What about Ezine, her sister, and her husband?
My sister is not a thief.
And I haven't shared the kitchen with her since after the wedding.
And maybe she forgot it and someone else stole it.
I cannot steal what I bought.
Well, I didn't steal anything. And I'm off to my house. Until you all have interrogated all other suspects or have any concrete evidence against me. I don't want to see any of you. And Stella, now God will judge us.
Steve, are you letting her go just like that?
Yes.
Why?
I mean, we can't just assume that the other suspects are innocent. We also don't have anything concrete on her.
Babe, that's true. We don't have anything on her.
So are we going to let my 30 million naira wedding ring go just like that?
Abdul.
Abdul? Go ahead, pick it.
Who is Abdul?
Abdul is the jeweler who made the fake one.
Hello? Abdul. Okay. Alright, I will come to your place. I think we've got a break.
Oh, okay. What is it?
Abdul just said he knows the jeweler who did the fake one.
Nice. Alright, let's go then. Let's go.
Today is Sunday. I mean, the office is not open. Unless in a case where we'll have to go to his house.
So what are we waiting for? Let's proceed.
Just wait, please. Calm down.
Yeah, we can go with that option. But if we must do that, then I have to go with only Joseph.
Why not with me? It's my wedding ring that was stolen.
I know. But then we do not know the situation of things at this place. Nobody knows how safe it will be over there. Besides, you're carrying my godson. So I would not want to put you in harm's way.
Steve is right. Both of them can actually go. He can actually go with Joseph. Both of them can handle whatever situation then, I believe. Moreover, he is a detective handling this whole thing. He knows better.
But mommy, I would love to go with them.
Just calm down, okay, babe?
Okay. You both can go, but please, come back with my original wedding ring or its equivalent, please. Okay? I need my wedding ring or its equivalent.
That's right. I'll do my best.
What do you want this time?
I am sure you know as much as I do that if I want to lock you up, I can do that right away. Because I mean, there will be tens of crimes I can label on you.
The very reason I'm asking you what you want.
What did you make this decoy for? Start talking.
You want his name, phone number, or what exactly?
Call the person and tell the person to come here right away.
Right. detective.
I said, tell them to be here right away. Whatever it is, let's go. Right now.
Right away.
Move!
Hello, Chidi. Yeah, Alpha. Oh, but I don't see buyer. That's Nama they call you now. And Nama they call you. I did my place like this. Go come my place. Oh, but me and you know say I understand the plans. No worry, we got alignment. Come my place now, babe. He's on his way. He will soon be here.
May I know where's the original?
The original? I don't sell up now. It has been sold.
What?
Oh, should be what? I've sold it.
You sold it to who? What the fuck is this guy talking about?
Latif, me and you know say I no fit do this kind of disclosure. So when they turn, I know if you answer the kind of question. You inform him now.
Yeah. You can't tell.
Oh my God, Steve! Why?
Don't worry, bro. Don't worry. We're on this. We'll get to the roots. Don't worry. Huh? Just get in the car, you know. Get in the car. Let's wait for this guy. Huh? Get in the car. Calm down. And you call him. Tell him to hurry up. Eh? We don't have all the time.
Please stick to the plans. Stick to the plans.
What's up now? Where's the buyer?
This guy dey up now. Which kind of question?
I know. What's up? I don't get time. Where the buyer now?
Calm down.
Yeah.
Hey!
You move! You move! See, I'm going to ask you this just once.
What?
How did you swap the original for that fake? How?
Chidi, I know they understand you. This your silence will kill you. This your silence will kill you. See, this guy will not only make your life miserable, but a living hell. You could tell for this life, you bless life for you. You guys begin to talk now.
Bro, Samir. No, I didn't swap it.
You didn't swap. Then who did? Who?
Who is your girlfriend? Talk!
No.
No, I cannot believe that she would do something like this to me. Isn't it really? What's this world even turning into?
You know I've always told you to never trust people, except yourself. Sad reasons you get to trust people so much.
I'm fucking pissed right now.
Don't let it carry me good.
My friend, would you keep quiet?
That's what it is. What was that now? Eh? You want to kill me? What is it? Oh my God! Will you get your eyes off it? Really? Let's go. Let's go.
Sister, Mama.
Isn't it? What are you doing here?
Or could you ask me to come?
Why?
Maybe they have decided to interrogate all the suspects after all.
Even Ezinne? No.
What suspects? Chidi, what are you doing here?
Oh, you know him? How I wish for this to be a lie.
Babe, I don't understand. What is he doing here? And who is this guy?
Ask your sister that question.
Ezinne, who is this guy and what is he doing in my house?
Officer, I've shown you the person that swapped the ring. So please, can I go now?
If you move an inch, if you dare move an inch, I'll make sure I break every damn bone you have in this your criminal body.
Please, I'm not a criminal.
Isn't it? You are under arrest for the theft of your sister's diamond wedding ring.
What is this? What are you saying? Ezinne is my sister, she's not a thief. Ezinne? What is he talking about?
Sister, he is right. I swapped the rings. I'm sorry.
Yeah, talk to me. What is it?
Things are not good in the house. And my sister is not even aware of it. You know, Uncle Joe doesn't want to tell her because he's scared she might feel bad.
Wait, are you serious about this? Things are rough in the house. And your sister's husband is not telling her because he doesn't want her to feel bad. Which kind of woman rapper be that one now?
Do you feel everybody is wicked like you? Uncle Joe is a very good man. I mean, I'm so sad that all these things are happening to him. He doesn't deserve any of this.
Are you going to feel for her now? You the lover? But wait, the other time you told me the ring he bought for his wife is very expensive.
Yes.
He can sell it now. Yes. You don't think that could help them? I mean, in this kind of situation. A prisoner.
Ezinne.
Sister, we made all inquiries and found out the cost of the original ring and how much to get a decoy. He paid for the decoy and we agreed that I'll give him 1 million naira after selling the ring. I'm sorry.
You promised to give him the sum of 1 million naira out of my 30 million naira diamond wedding ring, Ezinne.
Babe,
Calm down.
babe, don't do this. Come on. Don't do
Babe,
this. Calm down.
my wedding ring.
It's okay. We will get to the root of this, okay?
How were you able to swap the rings?
That was very simple.
Wow.
What happened?
Mr. Kimiko.
Oh my God. Let me see.
Oh, it's bending me.
Sorry, okay? So how come you were not careful enough? Sorry. I'll take it from you, okay? So sorry. 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 Let me see.
It's bending me.
It's fine, sorry, okay, sorry. You have to be careful next time, okay? Sorry, let me continue. don't like this knife. Where's the other knife for me? Get me the other knife. This one is not sharp enough. I wonder what cut you. Where's the other knife? This here. You're just too lazy. Sorry now. Do you need first aid? Alright, go inside. Go and apply something, please. Sorry, right? You have to be careful next time. Is it still bleeding?
I'm trying to control the blood.
Okay, use water on it, okay? Use water, press it down, then you go upstairs. You go get something to rub on it, okay?
Okay.
Sorry. Sorry, why is he crying? Go inside, go get something to apply on it.
Yes, let me go and apply something on
Alright.
it. Be careful, it's very painful.
It's not sharp. I wonder what caught you. Lazy girl, you just want to go inside.
We gave the ring to the jeweler who was having issues selling it. So yesterday night he called me that he had gotten a buyer.
That criminal. I told him to communicate alone with me.
Chidi, you are the criminal. What were you thinking? That I won't find out? You know, I overheard you over the phone talking to someone that once the ring has been sold, you would take the money and disappear.
Oh, is that it? No wonder he came alone when we called him. You see you, I will make sure you rot in jail.
You know, I went to the jeweler and I explained things to him. I told him that my intention was never to sell the ring and keep the money. I was only trying to help Uncle Joe because he was going through a lot. Mama's ill health, his seized goods, my school fees, my accommodation, and my sister's continuous demand.
What did you say? My continuous demand?
Yes, sister. Your husband couldn't tell you because he feared you would misunderstand him. You know, even before that night I spoke to you, I had already stolen the ring. And I also made up my mind on what to do with it.
So, my child, where is the ring?
She sold it already, Mama.
What?
Yes.
She sold my diamond wedding ring? Where is the money?
She paid everything into my bank account. Everything. She did not take out a dime from it, not even for her school fees or house rent.
Not all. The ring was sold for 26 million naira. I gave the jeweler 1 million naira. Then the bank manager that did the transaction for me insisted that I must give him 1 million naira too. So it is the remaining 24 million naira that I deposited into your account.
Wait, please. You mean you sold my diamond wedding ring and you deposited all the money into my husband's bank account?
Yes. Yeah, that's what she did.
I knew I would be the first person you would send the money to. Hence you get the alert. I'm sincerely sorry, Uncle Joe. I'm sorry. I didn't mean to hurt you. You know, you have been more than a father and a brother to us. You've been taking care of my sister and I. You even made us feel entitled to the things you owned. I'm sorry, Uncle. I'm sorry, please. I couldn't just sit back here and watch you go through difficult times. That was why I did what I did. I am sincerely sorry. I'm sorry, please forgive me.
Isn't thank you so much.
You're welcome.
And why is she only apologizing to him? I mean, it was my wedding ring she sold.
Babe, can you just please shut up?
Babe.
Detective. She affidavit. The prison, Abi.
Mr. Man, sit down!
Please. I am sorry. I am sorry for everything. I am sorry for being careless with you. I am deeply sorry. Please forgive me. I am sorry. Please forgive me. I'm a changed person right now. I'm going
It's
to
okay,
pay
babe.
attention
No,
to
you
things.
don't. It's alright. I've forgiven you already, okay? It's fine.
Oh yeah, prison time. Stand up. Stand up, my friend! Oh yeah, move it.
Officer, but my idea is still help the family now.
Which idea? My friend, move it!
See you later, okay? I'll come to the station very soon.
Steve.